Hello guys, this is Kobe from Ghost Boat, and today we have a 6.25 meters Profisher center console. We just do a Seatrial today, and fortunately we just invite the owner and the buyer from France of the 6 meters boat. They just fly to Qingdao from France, and let's see what's the performance on the water. Now we just finished a half an hour Seatrial on the water, so let's talk with the owners. How is the performance about our boat? Okay, this is Jane, the buyer of the Profisher 6.25 from France. Hello. Mate. Yeah. So we just finished a Seatrial. What's your overall impression of our boat?
Yeah, it's very good, very stable, fast when acceleration, and stable also in the turn. No, it's a good boat. We are very satisfied with the design and with the performance. So yeah, we really expect to receive it in France now and to show it to our customers.
Yeah, and so after this Seatrial, you think this boat is meeting your expectations, right?
Yeah, totally meeting our expectations.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. So, and also I want to know, how do you think about the service from the system and the factory after, visiting for the office and factory?
Yeah, we have been pretty amazed with the qualities, the standards, also in the building, and it's very a good company, and we like we find you guys, so and we expect that it would be a long-term relationship right now for now, and that everything will go smooth.
Yeah, we believe this small, maybe 1,000 boats will run in France and Europe.
At least.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.